welcome back to my channel. If you are new here and you haven't yet subscribed, turn on the notification bell, hit the thumbs up button and share with your friends and with your family. So guys, from this title, I'll be talking to you about how to deal with setbacks. This week for me has been an absolute nightmare. It's been one setback after the other. I was supposed to release my second book in my children's series on the 28th of November. We're now in March. The book's not released. So the first setback that I faced was the illustrator said that she was ill and she had to delay finishing the illustration, which I said was cool, that's fine, it's one of them things. This week, once I thought the illustrations were finished and I'm starting to put the book together, I realized that a whole illustration is missing. No fault of the illustrator. I didn't send the page over to the woman for her to do the illustration. So now I've got to wait another week or two for the illustration to be finished so I can put the book together and send the book off to be printed. So I'm now looking on the ending of March before I can release my book that was supposed to be released on the 28th of February. To add to it, the last video that I released on YouTube was me in the phantom head, doing my little things, scaling and polishing, showing you guys how I go through my phantom head Fridays. Boom. I got a message from the university to say I need to take down the video because I broke a lot of rules that I didn't even know existed. And I was just like, damn. All my little views are gone. My little watch time's gone. And that was just like, crap. I'm now one video less. I'm not on track for the amount of videos that I've set myself to release to you guys. That was pretty pooey. And I did obviously remove it because I don't want to jeopardize myself on this course that I have fought so hard to get onto. So to top it off, my Amazon account went on hold. Now I needed to re-release my debut book. And because I use Amazon to do my printing, use KDP, with my Amazon account being on hold, my KDP account is on hold as well. So that means I couldn't re-upload the manuscript for the book to re-release my book. So guys, it's just been one nightmare after the other, after the other, after the other. However, normally when crap happens, which crap usually does because this is real life, I would normally spit my dummy out and I would throw a big hissy fit and a big crying fit, and I'd throw a big tantrum because it just is what you do when you can't handle that crap happens. But I found that this week, I haven't actually done that. It can be really difficult dealing with setbacks, especially when you know that you've set yourself a deadline and you set yourself a target and you're capable of hitting that target. So when a spanner's thrown into the works and you're just like, wow, what am I gonna do? I found these 3 tips that I'm gonna share with you has been an absolute blessing for me this week especially. Tip number 1 is keeping calm. When things don't go your way, when things don't go according to plan, it can be so easy to start blaming everyone. It's so easy to throw temper tantrums, which we all do, and don't wanting to give up. Guys, keep calm, keep level-headed. And yeah, letting off steam and becoming ignorant can feel good. However, doesn't help the situation, doesn't get you back on track, doesn't actually solve the issue, doesn't do anything positive. By keeping calm, you're able to think clearer and think about solutions to rectifying the problem or the setback. And then this takes me to tip number 2. Hurry up and get back to the drawing board. Guys, this is real life. Things don't go according to plan. And when things don't go according to plan, you always need to have a plan B, a plan C, D, E, and F. And when things happen, quickly brush yourself off that you can meet your goals. Go back to the drawing board. Acknowledge that things happen. Me this week, when I was asked to remove my YouTube video, I was like, okay, that hurts. That's a pain in the ass. However, I need to figure out a way to, 1, upload back that video with the similar content without getting in trouble. And 2, to do 2 videos to replace the 1 video that I had to remove from off my channel. So tip number 3 is self-evaluation. Self-evaluation. Sometimes things from the outside can have a detrimental impact on your goals and can throw you off track. And then other times it's the things that you've done that's caused you to come off track. And I know some of you do not want to hear this, but the truth is the truth. Sometimes we play a big role in things not going according to plan in our lives. I'll give you guys a prime example. With my book, I was not thorough enough in checking that I had sent the illustrator over all of the pages for my book. I would have been set back anyway because her health was not the best, but I set my own self back even further for not being diligent enough in checking that all the pages were sent over to her. Another example is that if I only had asked permission to my course tutor, if I could record in phantom head, I would have either got a decision of yes, I can, or no, I can't. But I would not have wasted time to record a video, upload, to be told I need to take it down. Sometimes the things that we do, the things that we don't do, can have a negative impact on our goals. Sometimes the things that we do or don't do can actually set us back. Sometimes, guys, we shoot ourselves in the foot, and can be so easy to want to blame everyone else, blame the illustrator, blame university, blame whoever. Well, when in fact you can't actually blame anybody but yourself. Once you've acknowledged where you've gone wrong, learn from it and ensure that the mistakes that you've made this time round, that you won't make them again. That once you've acknowledged where you've gone wrong, you can ensure that you save yourself from making that mistake again and again and again. There's lessons in everything that we do, and a setback is another lesson. It just depends on how you look on it. The setbacks that you faced or you're facing this week, keep calm. Don't beat yourself up. Then if you need to, but don't prolong on the issue. Pick yourself up, brush yourself off, and look at ways to how to put yourself back on track sooner rather than later.